Hey guys, this is Ron with SeeDevil Lighting. Today we're going to show you the 150 watt LED balloon light kit. We're going to start out with our 6.5 foot tripod stand. Go ahead and loosen this knob right here. Extend the legs, tighten that knob back up. Now this is a 2-mast system, reaching 6.5 feet or a little greater. Now we're going to move on to the lamp. First thing we see here, owner's manual, some hardware, and safety cable for top-down applications. Now just like the 60 watt unit, this 150 watt unit comes installed with the eye-bolt adapter. This is for top-down applications, for hanging, suspending. We're going to remove that unit, remove the packaging, and we're going to go ahead and put in our tripod adapter. That's a 3/8 female insert. Simply put that in, install on the tripod, tighten this top knob, and then we're going to plug it into our 120 volt power. Very simple, quick setup, and easy on the eyes. Now this creates a nice 360-degree omnidirectional lighting with a large ring of illumination. Just like the 60 watt unit, the 50 watt unit also comes with the 2-inch C-clamp for top-down applications, awnings, scaffolding, wood rack. You think of it, you can put it on there. We also have a dimmable remote control. You can do 10% increments, 50%, bring it back up to 100, or on and off. And finally, the LED unit carry case. So it's quick and easy. It's a 150 watt unit pumping out 19,500 lumens, and you can look right at it, completely glare free. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to like this video, subscribe, or check us out on social media, we've got Facebook and Instagram. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.